All right, guys, Honey Jefe here. It's Monday, August the 4th, about 2:07. Going to be about 70 to 90 degrees here. Of course, it's 2025. I'm out here at the Elm Grove Apiary. I meant to come out here Saturday after I worked at the Gardner Apiary, but it started raining. And so I came on home, or I went home. I skipped coming out here because I didn't want to drive out in the yard here. Open the bees up. The bees were a little bit testy, so I just came home. Anyway, so today my goal is to weed eat, help out the landowner right here around the immediate beehives. I'm not going to mow. I'm not going to do that. I don't have my lawnmower. I'm not going to use her lawnmower. But also the other main goal, the main goal is to treat for Varroa mites. I'm going to be using, get this here, VarroxSan. It takes 4 per brood box. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hives. Let me think. It's like 10 brood boxes. So -1, obviously, but if it was 10, it'd be 40. I don't think I have 40 in here, but I got 2 packages here. I used quite a bit at the other apiary. But another thing I want to do is to add space to that single deep. I got a honey super that's got some wet comb on it. I may add it to that. I may even add it to the one right there in front of us, the one that's got bearding everywhere. I'll check the space. I brought 3. None of the ones at the Gardner Apiary needed anything like that. I'm hoping the single deep is ready for some space, but I don't see a ton of activity. I'm hoping they're okay. Of course, I got it blocked off right there. See that? They're going in and out for sure. Let me see if I see any pollen going in there. I'm gonna kind of zoom in a little. I'll scoot forward. Don't see any pollen, but they're not acting crazy or anything. I see that tape's come off right there. It's okay, I've got some other tape. This one, let me zoom out a little bit. Looks like it might need some more space as well. The one down here, the second from the right, it needs this landing strip cleared of debris. One over there with the half of the guardian on, it's all right. But all right. So first thing I'm gonna do is check for space here. I'm gonna check for space right there. And if they need it, I'll put the VarroxSan strips in these guys first. Of course, this one right here only need 4 strips at the most. The other one will need 8. But then I'll zip through here. I'll see if I can get started. This is part 1. Probably of a 3-part system, depending. I don't know how much battery I have left. I'm learning that the car battery doesn't charge as quick, or the car charger doesn't charge as quick. There we go. Look in the mirror there. Man, I mowed all this at that time at night. All right, guys, I'm rambling on here. Thank you guys for watching. It's Honey Jefe. It's Honey with a J. And Jeff with one F between two E's. It's Honey Boss. This is my office.